What's saying with y'all boys? Kill Vlogs 92, man. Had to get out the house, man. You know, we got the virus thing going on, man. Had a time being cook up in the house. I got my little brother over here with me. But yeah, man, it's tired of being up in the house, man. Had to get out. Freedom. Ain't nothing like freedom, man. So I got the, with me. About to get some footage. And yeah, man, chill at the park. So yeah, stay tuned. What's up with y'all, man? Nothing like a walk through the park and take your mind off things, man. Especially what's going on now. We got people losing their jobs over the virus, man. This stuff's serious. Don't take this stuff lightly, man. So y'all take heed, man. Wash your hands more often. And use that sanitizer, best friend, man. So, yeah, man, we just chilling. We about to head out in a little bit. What's up with y'all, man? Today I'm about to get some 5-inch tips on my charger, man. I'm at Buffalo Shop on Baditaria in West Bank. So I'm about to hook it up right now. This is where we are right here. Express Discount Buffalo. I'm about to hook it up right now, man. Put the 5-inch tips on there.
Where's the hanger? Well, the hanger like this.
What's that with y'all, man? So I got the 5-inch tips right there. It's looking way better than the 3-inch tips I got in the full. These are 5-inch right here. See how it fills the gap right here. So I say these look way better than the had before. So I'm about to get my car washed. So I'm about to get my car washed. Car looking a little dusty. Finally got about to get washed, man. So you about to get me a little car wash detail. So yeah, stay tuned. So man, see my cousin getting me together, man. Whooping up, shining up the whip, man. Got the tip installed, man. Got the ride looking nice and clean. Sounding deeper. Yeah, man. Put the vid out pretty soon, man. So